Avatarify. Yeah, continue from there. I will be showing you how you would be able to import your Avatarify to the OBS Studio, which will enable you to be able to make use of this on any social media platform you want to stream upon. And don't forget, this is for educational purposes only. Yeah, so continued from there, you have been able to launch the Avatarify. If you don't know how to launch the Avatarify yet, you can watch my previous video here on YouTube. I will move further to what we will be doing for today. So here now, I believe you have the OBS Studio installed on your PC already. I would want you to watch the steps carefully. So this is what I do. I open my OBS Studio, which we have here, and I believe it's the same user interface you have as mine. So I'll be importing this into my OBS Studio. I come to sources, I come to window capture. For some people, you have your window capture and deprecated, yeah? But whichever place you find your window capture, just click on it when you find it. I click OK. Then also, it is important to uncheck your cursor. The difference of unchecking and checking the cursor is, now let's, for instance, we have the cursor checked. When I move my mouse across my Avatarify, it shows the mouse cursor, but when I uncheck it, it doesn't show it. Can you see? Then if you don't have your Avatarify popping up at first, like for instance here, this is my camera, but I have my camera blocked for due reasons. You get, this is my camera, you can see it's blocked. So if you have it coming first when you open your window capture, if you have your camera coming up or any other window, if you have a lot of windows open on your system, you would have a whole bunch of lists here, but you just want to bring in your Avatarify, and that is what you're going to click on. You look for Avatarify on the list and you click on Avatarify, then you uncheck your capture cursor and click OK. Then this is it. This is your projector screen. If I leave it this way and stream my video, I will be having it on one side of the video. I'll be having the video on one side of wherever anybody is viewing from. They'll be seeing this thing on one side here. But what you want to do is you want to make it as visible as possible. Then I'll have to enlarge this way. Okay. If I leave it this way on the stream, it's still gonna be showing on one side. Whichever way I put it or I amend here is how it's going to display and stream out. So I want to make it as visible and nice and good looking as possible. So I'm going to centralize it here. Then I click on my Start Virtual Cam. The essence of clicking on Start Virtual Cam is to enable any application I'll be using to be able to detect the OBS Studio as a camera, because the OBS Studio is one that will be streaming out to the application. It's very simple. You have your Avatarify, you have your social media application which you'll be streaming to. OBS Studio is the intermediary that communicates between Avatarify and your WhatsApp or Facebook or whatever it is. So remember to always click on Start Virtual Cam. But really, I'm going to take it backwards a little because I have some comments and a request of people telling me to put up a video on how they will be able to do a portrait or mobile view like settings. That is why I'll be taking this pause here to show you how you will set this view to mobile view or portrait in essence. So let me stop the virtual cam so I can go back to set this up. Then I come to set that up, actually to change this orientation from landscape to portrait. I come to my settings in OBS Studio, or you should have that in your OBS Studio as well. Then from here, from your settings, I go to video. Then we have the base resolution and output resolution. I'm going to now interchange this we have here. The default settings we have here is 1280 by 720. I'm going to interchange the position of this. So I'm going to make it 720 by 1280. Let's do that together. 720 by 1280. Good. Let's go to the next. 720 by 1280. Sorry, 1280. Then that is done. Then I can just click on apply and OK. You can see my orientation has changed into a portrait. Here it's looking like a mobile view, but I call it a portrait. Yeah. and really I want to make it look good. Okay, the Avatarify is not filling up the whole of my projection screen, so I got to just cover up the whole black spot, the whole black outlay I'm inside. Then this is good enough. So remember, whatever I have displaying here is what I have here. After that is being done, I click on my Start Virtual Cam, and that is as easy as setting up your connecting your Avatarify to your OBS Studio. But let's move further to now check what it looks like on other applications, say like Facebook, WhatsApp, Telegram, Skype, Zoom, and the likes. Okay, and remember that you can only use this on your downloaded application. You can't use it for over the web application, because we have over the web login for Facebook and we have downloaded application for Facebook. So I advise you only use this for downloaded application on your system, be it MacBook, be it Linux or Windows. But today I'll be making use of my Telegram. So remember something, whatever it is you're doing with your social media application, connecting your social media application to your OBS Studio or Avatarify, there's always a GUI, graphical user interface, in all social media applications. So this is the settings and the menu. I come to my settings, I look for call or video related settings. Then okay, good. So here I'm going to change my camera, because I have selected my Start Virtual Cam. I'm going to select my camera here as OBS Studio. So I'm going to look for OBS Studio, and that is it. Voila. So whatever I have displaying on my OBS Studio is definitely showing here. So I'm going to call someone now on video call to see how it works good or not. So this is it. I select video call. You can see whatever I have on my Avatarify is displaying already on my Telegram video call, and that is in the same way you work it out for every other application, be it WhatsApp, Facebook, and any other one. Thank you, and stay blessed, and don't forget to like and subscribe for